to your second hearing here in the court of public opinion. Baby, she thought she had a child custody battle. She's now having a battle to keep her job. She has been suspended until an internal investigation from the Real Housewives of Atlanta. All right, Attorney Redwine, bring us up to speed of what's going on and exactly what does this mean when they're saying it was revenge porn? Because, revenge porn is illegal.
Absolutely. So we've got two issues here: revenge porn, which I'll define real quickly, and secondly, the issue of whether her conduct created a hostile work environment, something that is actionable on behalf of Brittany, who is the talent on the show, and or the network. So here, the revenge porn here, the issue is Kenya is claiming it wasn't revenge porn because it wasn't private. She was given that photo. It had already been up on some site. Now, whether it was OnlyFans or whether it was a Snapchat that she gave to someone, Kenya's claim is that it was not private and that Kenya obtained it from a public entity. If that's true, she's correct. It would not be considered revenge porn. However, yes, that is true. But if it was given to a person, let's say not put on a website, but given to a person. So if the website, for example, is OnlyFans, then Brittany doesn't have a leg to stand on. But if it was given to because the rumor is this. The rumor is that Brittany was messing with Mark, Kenya's husband.
What?
Yes. Now, we do not know if Mark. Yes. So we don't know if Mark is the person whose little thing-a-lang was in the photo that she was, giving her performance on. She was singing to the microphone on. We don't know that. But Brittany was supposed to be sleeping with Mark. That is part of where the viciousness, allegedly, that's part of why Kenya cared so doggone much. Okay. And then the second component of that is Brittany apparently went to the network and said this was ridiculous, this was enough, and was threatening legal action with respect to the network if the network did not step in. So now, as I talked about on Monday, whenever those kinds of claims are made, then the next step is that the network has to do an investigation into hostile work environment, revenge porn, these elements, and they have to keep you away from the alleged perpetrator of that environment.
There you go.
So Kenya is iced out. They're not, the other cast members right now are not supposed to talk with her, and they cannot film with her until the conclusion of the investigation.
Wow. Okay. Shaitan, Attorney Turner, tell me now, what exactly does this mean? How does this look? What would you be telling your client if Kenya was in fact your client?
Well, if Kenya was my client, and one of the other issues that has come up with this case is Bravo as an employer has not been consistent. And so the allegation is that there was some other revenge porn issue that came up with the Real Housewives of New Jersey, and the person who was engaged in that was not suspended like Kenya. Now, maybe they've learned since then and they've gotten different advice from counsel, but the problem is if you've ever watched Real Housewives of New Jersey, most of the people on that show are white, and so is the person who allegedly did this. And so Kenya's saying, hey, race discrimination, you only care about misdeeds done by Black people, and now you're interfering with my ability to have a check. I have an adverse employment action, and so I'm evaluating whether or not I have my own legal action against Bravo.
Jeez whiz, this is stacked to the top. This is stacked to the top, from revenge porn to racial discrimination to hostile work environment to everybody go to their corner until the investigation is complete. Baby, we gave you a show tonight. Be sure to hit that like button because the likes aren't liking. Be sure to hit that subscribe button. If you're already subscribed, be sure to hit that share button. Don't forget to set your notification because a lot is coming down the pipe that I'll be talking about in the near future. And let's jump into these comments. We're going to go to the comment section, the questions that our jury members have, and then we're going to actually do. Who is that that she's referring to?
I don't know.
If you can.
Kenya. Oh, okay. That's true. Some people are not aware what Kenya did. So allegedly what Kenya did was Kenya was having a grand opening for her hair care launch. At the event, She put on the screen a photo of Brittany giving fellatio to someone.
Wow!
Yes.
That's what
What?
she did.
It was a party trick.
She was at a party trick.
We better keep it moving. Let's keep it going. Sin870 said Bravo is a hostile environment. I can tell you a little bit about hostile work. If you got time, I got time for you. All right. The JB verse says, how is it possible to file for bankruptcy 5 times? You know,
I got the answer.
Go ahead.
Yeah.
There is a producer assigned to each talent. Therefore, they knew and were fully aware of what was going on, just like Phaedra and the Candy allegations. I'm not sure. Sorry, that wasn't a question. I don't know how it ended up in there, but thank you, Tommy Bolds. Not Tammy, but Tommy, right? Tommy. All right, for the question. Can Bravo just fire Kenya and figure something out on the back end? Oh, this is a good contract question. Simone, you want to? Or Turner?
I would say not unless they want to get sued. The issue is this: they really need to. If I were one of the head general counsels at Bravo, I would have one of my associate attorneys do a memo into how have we treated every other similar situation, and then I want them to put the race of the active parties and the outcome. Because what happens is to prevent a negative ruling on a racism type of lawsuit, you have to show that you treated everybody the same. That's where they may have a challenge.
All right, everybody, we're going to keep it moving. We're going to go to the verdict part of the court of public opinion, in which we're going to review. Oh my God. Okay. Okay, order in the court, please. Ladies. When I said it was ladies' night, I didn't mean ladies' empowerment night. Oh. I can't. Okay, hold on. Let's get back to the court. This is my question, and this is a very significant question. They still are in contract. Okay, that's not really anything. All right, let's go to Jim Drops. I thought Kenya froze her eggs. Why did she need a donor? Remember, Phaedra dragged her for looking in a catalog. I think her eggs. I'm not prepared for this Friday night. I'm not prepared. No, you didn't say throw them in the trash can. I am. Order in the court. Okay. Ariel, baby, I'm so sorry if I'm saying your name wrong, but have you heard of Mayor Tiffany Henyard? She's stealing taxpayers and use. Okay, sorry, Ariel, we're not familiar. Belly B, thank you so much, Belly B. Belly B, thank you so much, Belly B, for that contribution. Just want to say I love you, Al, and I think you're so amazing. Hold on. Probably. It's a fan. I done made a fan out of it. All right, first up, everybody, is P. Diddy and Cassie, who ended up in the court of public opinion.